Hello everyone. It is my 11th video on vector calculus. So today we are discussing about Gauss divergence theorem. The statement of Gauss divergence theorem is triple integral of V divergence F dV is equal to double integral of S F dot n cap into ds. Take one problem. If f is equal to 2x square minus 3zi minus 2xy into j minus 4x into k, evaluate triple integral of v del dot f into dv, where v is the region bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. Evaluate triple integral of del dot f. So first we find divergence of f. Here substitute del value and substitute given f value. Del by del xi plus del by del y into j plus del by del z into k dot 2x square minus 3zi minus 2xy into j minus 4x into k. Take dot product I dot I is 1 del by del x of 2x square minus 3z plus into minus minus j dot j is 1, that coefficient del by del y of 2xy plus into minus minus k dot k is 1 del by del z of 4x. Find derivative del by del x means differentiate with respect to x partially, treating y and z as a constant. X square differentiation is 2x, 2 to the 4x. With respect to y, y differentiation 1, 1 into 2x. With respect to z, 4 and x are the constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. Here 4x minus 2x is 2x. Given equation, here triple integral, using given points we have to find a limit. Here lower limit z is 0, using this equation to find z limit. Take 2x plus 2y in RH side, z is equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. We get z is 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. To find y limit, take z is 0. Equation 1 implies z is 0, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Simplify 2y term, take 2x in RHS side, 4 minus 2x. In all the terms, 2 is common factor, that's why divide 2. Here y is equal to 2 to the 2 minus x. Here y varies from 0 to 2 minus x. Next we find x limit, take z and y are the 0 in equation 1. 2x is equal to 4. Divide cross multiply 2 to the 4. Here 2 ones are 2 to the, here x is equal to 2. X varies from 0 to 2. Substitute these limits in triple integral of del dot f into dv. Del dot f is 2x dz dy dx. Outer limit x varies from 0 to 2. Next dy, here y varies from 0 to 2 minus x. Next one dz, z varies from 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. First limit is dz, so you are integrating with respect to z. 2x is a constant. Integration of constant with respect to z is what? Here z, right? So between the limits 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. Apply upper limit minus of lower limit 2x into upper limit 4 minus 2x minus 2y minus lower limit is 0 dy into dx. Simplify. 2 is constant, take outside, integral of 0 to 2, 0 to 2 minus x. Here x into 4, 4x, x into 2x, 2x square, x into 2y is 2xy, right? 4x minus 2x square minus 2xy dy into dx. Next derivative with respect to y. 4x is a constant with respect to y is y minus 2x square is a constant with respect to y is y minus 2x into y integration is y square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2 minus x with respect to x. 2 into integral of 0 to 2 4x into apply upper limit y is 2 minus x minus of lower limit is 0 minus 2x square into apply upper limit 2 minus x minus lower limit is 0. 2 get cancelled x into 2 minus x whole square minus lower limit is 0 with respect to x. Simplify 2 into integral of 0 to 2 4 to the 8x plus into minus 4x into x is 4x square minus into plus minus 2 to the 4x square minus into minus plus x square into x is x cube. Here expand a minus b whole square. Here expansion 4 plus x square minus 4x. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Take product x into 2 minus x whole square. Here minus into plus minus 4x minus into plus minus x square into x is x cube minus into minus plus 4x square with respect to x. We have to simplify plus 4x square minus 4x square get cancelled. Simplify highest power of x term. 2x cube minus x cube is x cube minus 4x square, right as it is. X term 8x minus 4x is plus 4x with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x, 2 into x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 minus 4 into x square integration is x cube divided by 3 plus 4 into x integration is x square divided by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. Apply upper limit x is 2 power 4 16 by 4 x is 2 cube it's 8 into 4 by 3 2 ones are 2 twos are x is 2 square it is 4 minus of lower limit is 0. Simplify these values we get 8 by 3. Take second problem. If f is equal to 2xy plus yz square j plus xz into k and S is the rectangular parallelepiped bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3. Find the flux across S. That means we find triple integral of del dot f into dv. Solution. Flux across S is equal to double integral of f dot ds is equal to triple integral of f dot n cap into ds. Right? It is flux across S. But we cannot find directly in surface, right? That's why we know that the divergence theorem is triple integral of del dot f into dv is equal to double integral of f dot n cap into ds. We find triple integral of del dot f and then equate double integral of f dot n cap into ds because both are equal. That's why we need to calculate triple integral of del dot f into dv, right? And this problem directly given the limit x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 1, z varies from 0 to 3. Del dot f is equal to del value dot f is given. I dot I is 1 del by del x of 2xy plus into plus plus j dot j is 1 del by del y of yz square plus into plus plus k dot k is 1 del by del z of xz. With respect to x, x differentiation 1, 1 into 2y. With respect to y, y differentiation 1, 1 into z square. plus with respect to z, z differentiation is 1 into x. Here triple integral of del dot f into dv is equal to, substitute del dot f and the derivative dz dy dx in order. Outer limit x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 1, inner limit z varies from 0 to 3. First derivative with respect to z, so integrating with respect to z, 2y is a constant, so constant integration is 2y z plus z square integration is z cube divided by 3 plus x into x with respect to z, here x into z, between the limits 0 to 3 dy into dx. Apply upper limit minus of lower limit in z term only. Integral of 0 to 2, 0 to 1, 2y into upper limit 3, 3 to the 6y, x is 3 cube, it's 27 by 3, x z is 3, 3x, minus of lower limit is 0 dy into dx. Next derivative is dy, integrating with respect to y, here 6y, y integration y square by 2 plus 27 by 3 is a constant, constant with respect to y is y plus 3x is a constant, constant with respect to y is y, between the limits 0 to 1. Apply upper limit minus of lower limit, it's 6 by 2 is 3, 9 into 1 9, 3x into 1 is 3x. Simplify, 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 3x with respect to x. 12 with respect to x is 12 is a constant, integration of constant with respect to x is x plus 3 into x, na integration x square divided by 2, between the limits 0 to 2. Apply upper limit, 12 to the 24, 3 into 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12 divided by 2. Simplify, we get 30. Take next problem. Evaluate integral of s axy plus byj plus cz into k dot n cap into ds, where s is the surface of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. Here integral of s, here f value f dot n cap into ds. So evaluate double integral of s f dot n cap into ds means, using divergence theorem we find triple integral of divergence of f into dv. A sphere is given, right? So first we find divergence of, here del dot f, del is del by del xi plus del by del y into j plus del by del z into k dot f value, here axy plus byj plus cz into k. Take dot product, I dot I is 1, del by del x of ax, j dot j is 1, del by del y of by, k dot k is 1, del by del z of cz. With respect to x, x is 1, 1 into a. With respect to y is 1, 1 into b. With respect to z, z is 1, 1 into c. Here in this problem is not given limit, but surface of this sphere is given, right? Here evaluate integral of s f dot n cap into ds means, we find triple integral of divergence f into dv, right? Substitute this, a plus b plus c into dv. A plus b plus c is a constant, take outside, triple integral of dv. So given is v is the volume of the sphere with unit radius is given, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1, right? Here radius r is equal to 1. Volume of the sphere is a formula, v is equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Given equation, radius is 1. Substitute this, volume is 4 by 3 into pi. So triple integral of dv is 4 by 3 into pi. That is double integral of f dot n cap into ds volume. Next one, evaluate double integral of S f dot n cap into ds given f is equal to xi plus yj plus zk over the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Solution, evaluate double integral of S f dot n cap into ds means using Gauss divergence theorem, because we cannot find directly with respect to S, right, in surface. That's why using the divergence theorem, triple integral of v del dot f into dv. So we find first del dot f. Del dot f is equal to, right, del value dot f value. Here f is given xi plus yj plus zk. Take dot product, I dot I is 1 del by del x of x, j dot j is 1 del by del y of y, k dot k is 1 del by del z of z. With respect to x, x differentiation 1, y with respect to y is 1, z with respect to z is 1. Adding these three, we get 3. Where v is volume of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. A radius r is equal to a. What is the formula of volume of the sphere? V is equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Here r is a, 4 by 3 into pi a cube. Substitute this. Triple integral of del dot f is 3 into dv. 3 is constant. Take outside. Triple integral of dv. It is 4 by 3 into pi a cube. 3 3 get cancelled. It's 4 pi a cube.